Hello everyone, given that x plus 1 over x equals 3, find s squared plus 1 over s squared. Today we are not asked to find the value of x, but we are asked to find the value of s squared plus 1 over s squared. The key to this question is to use an algebraic identity, which is open bracket a plus b square. Now let's expand this. A plus b times a plus b. A times a square plus a times b, ab plus a times b, ab plus b times b, b square. A square plus ab, that's plus 2ab plus b square. Given x plus 1 over s equals 3, now let's square both sides. X plus 1 over s square equals 3 square. Since 3 square equals 9, so x plus 1 over x all squared equals to 9. Let's recall our algebraic identity, which says a plus b all squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now, let's represent our a with x and our b 1 over x. So, x squared plus 2 open brackets x multiplied by 1 over x close brackets plus 1 over s squared equals 9. Now let's simplify this. X cancel x, so we are left with what? S squared plus 2 into bracket of 1 plus 1 over s squared equals 9. S squared plus 2 times 1, 2 plus 1 over x squared equals 9. Now let's subtract 2 from both sides. S squared plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 over x squared equals 9 minus 2. Now we have what? X squared plus 2 minus 2 has gone, plus 1 over x squared equals 9 minus 2, 7. Here is our final and correct answer. Now back to our question, which says find x squared plus 1 over x squared. So x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 7, which is perfect. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notifications for more Math Olympiad challenges.